welcome. If you are watching this, you have likely noticed that the eye makeup techniques that served you in your 30s simply stopped working in your 50s. The culprit is usually a combination of two things: the hooting of the eyelid and the change in skin texture. Hooting hides the mobile lid, swallowing your eyeshadow. While texture, that crepey, loose skin can make powders look dry, patchy, or harsh. Many women try to fix this by pulling the skin tight to apply makeup. But the moment you let go, the skin returns to its natural shape, and the makeup distorts. Today, we stop fighting your anatomy. We're going to work with the relaxation of the skin. This is your masterclass in lifting, defining, and smoothing hooded, textured eyes. The biggest mistake happens before you even touch an eyeshadow brush. It is skincare. Heavy, oil-based eye creams are the enemy of longevity on hooded eyes. The warmth of your skin melts that oil, causing makeup to slide into the folds within the hour. Instead, use a lightweight, water-based gel serum for hydration without the grease. Tap a tiny amount around the orbital bone, but keep the actual lid bare if you are prone to oiliness. Now, the most critical product for texture: eye primer. Do not use concealer. Concealer is designed to be emollient and hydrating. On a textured lid, concealer adds too much moisture, emphasizing the crepey appearance. An eye primer is different. It acts like spackle for a wall, filling in fine lines to create a smooth surface. Use a tiny amount. A bead the size of a grain of rice is enough for both eyes. Warm it between your ring fingers to make it tacky. Press and tap it onto the lid. Do not drag. Dragging stretches the loose skin. Tapping presses the product into the texture. Bring the primer all the way up to the brow bone and into the inner corner. If you have discoloration or veins, choose a tinted primer to neutralize the lid. Let this set for a full 60 seconds. It must be dry before powder touches it. While that sets, let's talk about tools. Your brushes matter more now than they did in your 20s. Scratchy or stiff brushes will tug on loose skin, creating patchy application. You need soft, synthetic brushes that glide over the texture. You need 3 specific shapes: a fluffy blender, a detailed pencil brush, and a flat shader. Now, the golden rule of texture: matte recedes, shimmer advances. If you put shimmer on a puffy, textured hood, you are highlighting the wrinkles. To hide the hood and smooth the texture, we must use matte shadows. Start with a matte shade that matches your skin tone, a bone or cream color. Use the fluffy brush to dust this all over the eye from lash to brow. This sets the primer and creates a silky surface for blending. If the base is sticky, your dark shadows will grab and look muddy. This step prevents that. Now we structure the eye. The most common error is closing your eyes to find the crease. If you have hooded eyes, your natural crease is hidden when your eyes are open. You must apply your contour shade with your eyes open, looking straight into the mirror. Take a matte shadow 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Look straight ahead. Locate the fleshy part of the hood that hangs over your lid. We are going to create a fake crease right on that hood above your actual fold. With the fluffy brush, place the pigment lightly on this area. Keep your face relaxed. Do not raise your eyebrows. Raising your brows smooths the skin temporarily, but the makeup will be in the wrong place when you relax. Use small windshield wiper motions to blend this color across the hood. By darkening this puffy area, we visually push it back. Now, the outer corner lift. This is where many go wrong. Imagine a line extending from your lower lash line up toward the tail of your brow. Never bring your eyeshadow below this imaginary line. Keeping the shadow high lifts the face. Bringing it low drags the face down. Switch to a slightly smaller brush for more control on the outer corner. Use a darker matte shade, perhaps an espresso or charcoal gray. Tap this color on the outer third of the hood, focusing on the V shape. Blend it upward and inward into the lighter transition shade. If you have deep wrinkles in the outer corner, use a patting motion, not sweeping. Sweeping can skip over wrinkles, leaving gaps. Patting fills them in. Step back and check your symmetry. The dark shadow should be visible when your eyes are open. If it's hidden, Take your brush and blend it slightly higher toward the brow. Leave a gap of clean skin under the eyebrow highlight to keep the look open. Now for the mobile lid. The part that is mostly hidden, we want to bring this area forward to create contrast with the hood. If your eyelids are extremely textured or crepey, stick to a light matte shadow here. If your lids are relatively smooth, a soft satin finish is beautiful. Avoid metallic foils or glitter. They will age the eye instantly. Use your flat shader brush to press. Don't sweep the light color onto the lid. Keep this light color below the fake crease you created. This sharp contrast is what tricks the eye into seeing a defined crease. Now, the inner corner. This is the wake-up button. Place a tiny dot of light right at the tear duct. Be careful not to bring it down into the fine lines under the eye. Precision is key here. A messy inner corner looks tired. Finally, the brow bone highlight. Always use matte here. A shimmer highlight on the brow bone pulls the brow down visually. A matte highlight lifts the bone structure and cleans up your blending. The eyeshadow is done. Now, we need definition to frame the eye. Traditional heavy eyeliner takes up too much space on a hooded lid. It creates a heavy, droopy look. Instead, we tightline. Gently lift your upper lid to expose the roots of your lashes. Run a waterproof gel pencil right into the lash roots from underneath. This makes your lashes look twice as thick without visible liner on the lid. If you want more definition, use a dark eyeshadow as a soft liner. Press the shadow into the outer third of the upper lash line. Soften the edge with a smudge brush. No harsh lines. Harsh lines emphasize texture. Smudged lines hide it. For the lower lash line, keep it very soft. Only line the outer third. Lining the whole eye closes it in. Now, the most important tool for hooded eyes, the eyelash curler. Hooded lids tend to push lashes downward. You must curl them to open the eye. Get close to the root and give a gentle squeeze for 5 seconds. Follow immediately with a volumizing, waterproof mascara. Waterproof formulas hold the curl better against the weight of the hood. Let's look at the finished result. Notice how the hood recedes because of the matte shading. Notice how the texture looks smooth, not cakey, because of the thin layers. The eye looks lifted, awake, and defined. Makeup over 50 isn't about covering up. It's about strategic placement. Practice the eyes open technique. It will change everything. If you found this masterclass helpful, please subscribe for more encouraging beauty guides. You are beautiful. I'll see you in the next video.